Now we can discuss about ETC, that means electrothermal chemical technology. It is an attempt to increase accuracy and muzzle energy of a future tank, artillery and close-in weapon system guns by improving the predictability and rate of expansion of propellants inside the barrel. An electrothermal chemical gun uses a plasma cartridge to ignite and control the ammunition's propellant using electrical energy to trigger the process. ETC increases the performance of conventional solid propellants, reduces the effect of temperature on propellant expansion, and allows for more advanced higher density propellants to be used. Dear friends, I am also preparing the notes to explain you without missing the option. So I am also seeing the notes and explaining you so that you should understand. Okay, then we can go into the subject again. The technology has been under development since the mid 1980s and at present is actively being researched. The technology has been under development since the mid 1980s and at present is actively being researched in the United States by the Army Research Laboratory, Sandia National Laboratories and defense industry contractors including FMC Corporation, General Dynamics, Land Systems, Ulin Ordnance and Sorok Nuclear Research Center. It is possible that electrothermal chemical gun propulsion will be an integral part of US Army's future combat system and those of other countries such as Germany and the United Kingdom. Electrothermal chemical technology is part of a broad research and development program that encompasses all electric gun technology such as rail guns and coil guns. How it works? An electrothermal chemical gun uses a plasma cartridge to ignite the control of the ammunition's propellant using electrical energy as a catalyst to begin the process. Originally researched by Dr. John Parmentola for the US Army, it has grown into a very plausible successor to a standard solid propellant tank gun. Since the beginning of research, the United States has founded the XM291 gun project with USD 4 lakh US dollars, basic research with USD, that means United States dollars, $3 lakh and applied research with 6 lakh US dollars. Since then it has been proven to work, although efficiency to the level required has not yet been accomplished. ETC increases. ETC means electrothermal chemical technology. Increases the performance of conventional solid propellants, reduces the effect of temperature on propellant expansion and allows for more advanced higher density propellants to be used. It will also reduce pressure placed on the barrel in comparison to alternative technology that offer the same muzzle energy given the fact that it helps spread the propellant's gas much more smoothly during ignition. Currently, there are two principal methods of plasma initiation: the flashboard large area emitter, flashboard large area emitter, that is flare, and the TCPI, that is triple coaxial plasma igniter. These are the methods in the ignition of plasma ignition of principal methods of plasma ignition. This is the information I shared with you. This will give a thought to the new startup companies to start something and to invent something and to do something, and it is prosperous to all. So wishing you all the best. May God bless you.